and welcome to your just 5 minutes of showing up for yourself. We are going to do a little bit of a core and maybe some posture stuff today, but we are going to need our little chi ball. So if you don't have a chi ball, you could use a foam roller. And if you don't have that, if you have any sort of softish ball that would just make you a bit unstable, then you can use that. And if you still don't have anything, just grab a pillow. All right, come onto your back. We are going to place the ball underneath our sacrum, so right at the very bottom of our crack, so you can see where the ball is. If I just go like so with my hands, then the ball is right at the end from there. Now from here I'm going to lift my knees, and then from there tuck my pelvis slightly, like I want to imprint my back into the floor. So from here we're going to inhale into our rib cage, exhale blueberry, engaging our belly, and we're going for a toe tap. So we're tapping into our imaginary bucket of water, and then we come back and then we inhale, exhale, slowly toe tap your other foot, and then inhale, coming back. So having this ball underneath makes you a little bit more unstable, gets those core stabilizers working a little bit more. Exhale blueberry, tummy, go for your toe tap, and then inhale, return. Exhale, toe tap, inhale, return. Now if you'd like to make it harder, as you toe tap you can slowly float the opposite arm, keeping your tummy still, and then inhale, return. Exhale, inhale, slowly back, exhale, inhale, back. We've got 4 more. Exhale. If you're not sure what's going on with your belly, just pop one hand on your lower tummy. You want to feel that sinking of your tummy, and you want to almost think like your belly is lifting upwards towards your rib cage, sliding away from your pubic bone. Now from here we're going to hold at the top, and we're going to inhale, slowly float our left leg out to the side, and then exhale, re-engage our belly to come back to the middle. Inhale, other knee to the side. Exhale, come back to the middle. Inhale, float out only as far as you can keep your pelvis still. So if you're not sure if your pelvis is tipping, pop your fingertips on your hip bones so you can feel any shifting happening of your pelvis. If you're completely tipping, kind of losing the point of the exercise to maintain a stabilized pelvis. Now if you want to make it harder, you can have your fingertips up, and then the opposite arm goes the opposite direction to the knee, and then inhale, exhale, knee and arm go opposite directions, and then inhale, come back in, exhale. Even just having your eyes closed will just change the hardness of the exercise, because it gets everything working a little bit more. I've got 2 more. This is a really nice one to warm up through those tummy muscles. All right, popping your feet on the ground, popping the ball between those knees, and we're going to be coming into 100. So from here we're going to be squeezing our ball, which activates a little bit more inner thigh up through pelvic floor and lower tummy, and then from there it's going to just turn on those tummy muscles that little bit more. But if you have overactive pelvic floor, then please don't put anything between your knees, because we don't want to aggravate it. Okay, so if you need to support your head for your neck, then you'll just use one hand, keep your head heavy in the hand, and you'll be pumping just with one hand. Okay, otherwise both hands will come forwards, and we're going to squeeze that ball. We're going to inhale, exhale, squeeze that ball, hands pump down. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, squeeze the ball belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down, squeeze the ball, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, squeeze the ball, belly flattens, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze the ball belly down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl up more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly flattens. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze the ball belly down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay there. Reach your hands, pulse forwards. For 5, belly flattens. 4, squeeze the ball. 3, squeeze the ball. Every time you come up, 2. Last one. And then come all the way down. Pop that ball back underneath your sacrum. This time we're going for some leg extensions. So knees come up to tabletop. As we exhale, you've got the option to toe tap if that's where your tummy stays flat. Otherwise, you can extend on a slight angle or lower if you can keep your belly flat. Inhale, come back. Strong exhale. Extend a leg. Inhale. Exhale. Toe tap or leg extension. Inhale in the middle. Exhale. You could also hug the knee in, and that will just help your tummy stay that little bit flatter. Exhale. Inhale. 2 more. Last one. And then we're going to take that ball out. Put that ball between the knees. We're going for a crisscross. So you could do this with the ball if you have the ball. If you have a roller, then we're going to not use anything. Okay, we're going to be crossing, holding that ball between that knee and the elbow and either toe tapping or extending on an angle. Holding for a count. And then you're going to come back in the middle. Exhale, twist. Other side, hold for a count. Inhale. Center, exhale, other side, inhale in the middle, exhale, pause, either toe tap or leg extended. We've got 2 more, exhale, toe tap or extend, hold for a count, inhale, pause in the middle, last one, exhale, pause, inhale in the middle. Now from here, we're going to exhale, hold either with the toe tap or leg extended. And then if you need to drop your foot, you can. We're going to reach up towards the toe and then roll all the way down, knee bent. Exhale, engage your belly as you roll, reach. We've got 1 more, inhale, exhale. Oh my gosh, it's the dog. It's like, what is that licking me? Curling up. Hey buddy, hey, you're so cute. Coming back. Okay, we've got our other side to do. So we're going to cross to the other side, extend or toe tap. And then we're going to reach up towards the foot. Inhale, rolling down. If you need to drop that foot, you can. Exhale, extend. Reach. Inhale, we've got 1 more. Exhale. Inhale, all the way back. Pop the ball between the knees. We've got 4, nice and slow. Exhale. Inhale in the middle. Exhale, toe tap or leg extended. Inhale. Cross. Inhale, last one. Exhale. Hold. And then dropping down. Coming onto your tummy for our last exercise. Amazing. This is one of my favorite exercises. So we have some around the worlds, which please make sure you're going at my pace so that you get the most out of the exercise. Now you have the option to just squeeze your butt here, or you can lift those legs as you lift your upper body. All right. So we're going to squeeze our butt, lift our upper body, maybe even lower, and slowly inhale past the ball. Exhale to complete the circle, coming back to the start. Inhale around, stay tall through the crown of the head, so looking down. Exhale, pass. Inhale. Exhale. We've got 1 more. Inhale. Exhale to pass. Really nice for shoulder range of mobility. Opposite directions. Inhale if you want to lift the legs. You can lift the legs. Exhale, circle. You can drop the legs. Inhale, lift back again. Exhale to circle. 2 more. Inhale. Gazing straight down. Exhale, pass. Last one. Inhale to circle. Exhale all the way back and dropping down. Amazing. Sitting in a shell. Reaching those hands forwards. How does it feel to show up just for this short space of time? I mean, we can find 10 minutes anywhere in our day, whether it's in the office, around the kids, while something's on the stove, even before bed. And it just feels so good showing up for yourself for something so little, but so effective. So high five. Great work. I hope you feel proud of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video.